Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another day in my life vlog. So I just finished getting ready and editing a YouTube video. Now I am about to take my dog outside so he can go to the bathroom, and then I'm going to the farm to see my other fur babies, eat some food, and make supper. So let's just go right into this video. Come on, bub. Come on. Come on, Coop. Good boy. My dog absolutely loves these bacon strips. Like, he's so obsessed. Every time I leave the house, he gets one, and he literally just loves them so much. Okay, Cooper, I'll be back. I'll be back later. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. What are you guys doing? Huh? Oh, there's pieces. Hi, baby. You guys want a treat? Okay, so this is my go-to meal lately. It is oatmeal with some yogurt in it. That's why it looks not like oatmeal. And then English muffin with a cheese slice. But today, instead of regular butter, I put garlic butter. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm just watching a house rerun. So I'm not even gonna lie. It's like probably 3:30. It's 3:55. It's like 4 p.m. and I haven't eaten today. However, in my defense, I didn't get up until like noon. So 4 o'clock, and this is the first thing I'm eating. And then probably after I'm done eating, I'll go play with the kitties for a little bit. But it's hella cold outside, so probably not for long. And then I'll start cooking a supper. I really need to eat better more frequently. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna be doing now, is just eating my delicious meal. I'm not even hungry. That's the issue. Anyway. Hi, baby. Oreo, you like Mr. Pumpkin Man? You like Fred? Hi, guys. Hi, Mocha. Hi. Whiskey, baby. Hi, Whiskey. Cheers. Peaches! They love to cuddle up on these chairs, even though they have a bed. But I put some old towels down on the bottom of the bed and then around the bed to kind of keep the wind out. But they love cuddling on the chairs. This is the box that they came in. There's a reason why there's a random box on the deck. Isn't there, Peaches? Huh? Whiskey wanted some cuddles. Whiskey! Hi, baby! Hi! Oreo! Hey, baby! You're so cute!
Giving me gray hair skins.
I've been doing that for years. You didn't kick me out. Okay, so because I really didn't do much today, I thought that I would finish this video out with my fall bucket list or fall things to do. So number one, we have a haunted house. Haunted houses are vetoed this year. However, I am going to a drive-through haunted house. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's basically a drive-through haunted house. Next is a horror movie marathon, and I am doing that this weekend. Very excited for it. Next was bake Halloween treats. I have made pumpkin pie fudge that didn't turn out. I have made pumpkin spice truffles, which did turn out. And later this week I'm making pumpkin pie cupcakes. So very excited for those. Pillsbury Halloween cookies I can't eat right now because they contain egg, so I did not do that. Carve a pumpkin. I have carved one pumpkin. I have two others to carve still, but I have carved the one. Halloween Town marathon. I watched all the Halloween Town movies, but it was not a marathon, but I did watch them all. Twitches movie. I have watched Twitches 1. I just need to watch Twitches 2. Buy Halloween candy. I have not, but probably this weekend or next weekend. A fall photo shoot. I did, and going to a pumpkin patch, which I have not done and probably won't be doing. But that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you did enjoy. I post videos every single day in the month of October, so I hope you subscribe so you never miss a video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.